So the next question is from Alexandra Ivanov. How should we use CBD oil? And what is CBD oil for those people that don't know?
So CBD oil is it's an extract from the cannabis plant, but without the hallucinogenic aspect of it. So it's an up and coming new rage, I suppose, but has been very effective in certain treatment of certain conditions like epilepsy. Um, So it's still currently in research, and if you do buy it, you need to make sure that you buy from a reputable company that uses uh, the right kind of extraction processes and not using cannabis that has been, you know, fertilized with and toxic, you know, with the chemicals that they use for plants and things like that. So you want to be looking for something organic. And the way it works is you actually put a couple of drops under your tongue and absorb, because that absorbs much faster into the body, and it has a calming effect. There are all sorts of things that CBD oil is being used for. Some of it's a little bit still out there being looked at, but definitely it can help with anxiety and pain. Cannabis is actually used for people who are having chemotherapy. It's very effective anti-nausea. So you can actually have regular cannabis. Is it the TSH, THC? I can never remember what the part of it that's more hallucinogenic. I need to look that up.
Yeah, I can't recall right off the top of my head either. But
Anyway, so that bit's been taken out, and so cannabis is actually an incredible, um, very underrated medicinal plant. TSH, no, yeah, THC. Anyway, they can look it up.
good up, yeah. Oh,
So it's not going to cause you to be high. You're
right.
just getting the medicinal aspect of the plant.